They call these the marriage savers because you don't have to yell at each other when you're docking. Our boat is 47 feet long, so it is hard to hear each other before we had these. He would be up at the bow, or I would, and the other would be at the helm steering. And we had hand signals, and not those kinds, but hand signals so that we could understand each other. And often we were yelling, and still with the wind, you cannot hear the other person, what they're saying, miscommunication. But these alleviate all of that. Because we can talk calmly to each other, and we can hear each other like we are talking to each other on a phone. And we can hear each other. We know what they're saying. They're so sensitive. I could hear his breathing. So you want me to go around the cab, Rico? There's another boat over there that... Yeah, we're at 16 now. 15.9. They did have a little bit of static with the wind, but I could still hear him over the wind, no problem. They are comfortable to wear. They have these little pads on the ears, which makes it really comfortable to wear during the whole docking procedure or anchoring, which sometimes takes a half hour to an hour depending on where you are. We had other ones before that didn't have the comfort ear cover padding, and they really hurt my ears. It was just plastic right on my ears, and the band was very tight around my ears. These ones are more comfortable. For the amount of time you have to wear them, it makes a huge difference to me. They are voice activated with mesh technology, so you don't have to press anything, fiddle with, or hold a mic or anything to turn it on. You just you turn it on the left ear, and then once you start talking, you can it transmits your voice. It's voice activated. They're super easy to use. You just plug them in, so they make sure they're fully charged, turn them on, and then there's a volume up and down. That's it. Put them on and start talking, and you're ready to go. We've been living on our boat for 5 years, and we finally got these headsets. 5 years of yelling at each other when we're docking. This has totally made a difference. The docking, mooring, and going into a slip, anchoring, it all seems so much easier and calmer without the stress that's added when you're yelling and trying to be heard over the wind and the waves. Grab the links below, and remember to hit that subscribe button.